We've never been the loudest in the room, but for 25 years, we've been the one that people call when it matters. It started with a box of gear, a few names, and a belief we could lift the standard. Crafting custom access systems, designed with detail and delivered with confidence. From the first sketch to final install, we own every step. We take the complex, the high risk, the never been done before, and make it work. We ask the right questions, build the right thing, and deliver it with precision, taking pride in delivering reliable solutions that work in the real world for real people. The kind of people who know that there's a difference between getting it done and getting it right. Where others see an obstacle, we see an opportunity. Rising to the occasion every time. Providing a solution every time. Letting our work do the talking every time. That's what trust looks like. 25 years in, and we're still building what others won't. Safetylyne, built for the unsolvable.